Rolling and action!
My name's Kelana Humphrey. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Bali, Indonesia, and this is my story.
Where's that?
In Indo, there'd be like a race like 2 months apart, and sometimes they just move it 3 months apart, and then there's only like one track you could practice in, and they never watered the track in the races. Like, not kidding, they never watered the track. It's like asphalt basically, or like cement. I was doing a line, and I tried to stop this, and I went over and I hit my leg really hard, but I'm gonna get back up and do it again. Deus Temple is my home. I grew up there, hanging out with all the graphic designers. To helping washing dishes, learning how to make new food, and just skating around the retail shop, to making little surfboards, just doing everything I can, hanging out with all the employees. It just felt like home to me. In Bali, you have so much more freedom than what you have in California with all the rules and stuff. You can just get away. Black sand beaches is where I learned how to ride my dirt bike. I started riding black sand beaches when I was still on 50s. I feel like it's helped me a lot. Flat tracking, just learning new ways how to ride.
So I was just hydroplaning through the water. I don't know, I was hydroplaning to the water, and then all of a sudden I hear a blah 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 blah, and I guess my bike died out. It's probably ruined because I trashed it pretty hard. So right now we're packing to go to Bali, but this time I'm not gonna just be going there for a couple months. I'm actually gonna live there, and this is gonna be a new start for me. And I'm gonna just try and chase my dream to be a pro motocross racer.